Hello viewers, it's DM Keith Suzuki. Thank you for joining us. We're looking at part exchange arrivals today at Huddersfield, and this is rather appropriate given the colours. It's Huddersfield Town's colours. 2023 Swift SZL, and it's finished in pearl pure white, and as you can see it's had the accessorising stripes popped on there. But yeah, lovely thing, 15,500 miles on the clock, and very, very nice example indeed. 1.2 self-charging mild hybrid engines in these cars typically average out about 50, I'm getting about 54, 55 out of all my demonstrator cars, but I have seen these come in with over 60 to the gallon on them. Lovely silver diamond cut alloys on there, very, very pretty thing. It's a shame the weather's so atrocious. It's a pearlised paint and it does look super when the light gets on it. Nice frontage on these cars. Great to drive, good manners. From behind that little clear panel there, it emits a beam down the road. On these slippery roads, it's making sure you don't get too close to cars in front, and if you're on adaptive cruise control, it's able to monitor the situation by actually applying a touch of brake or even the throttle. But yeah, it can bring the car to a virtual stop as well. Height adjustment, plenty of. Smells nice and clean and fresh in here, I've got to say. Nice. And good clean tidy thing. Spin cam round, we got a really nice sounding head unit of these. They're lovely things. You can put SD cards in them, guys. You can get one from parts and stuff like that. Personally, use your smartphone. If you connect your smartphone in, you'll fill the whole lot with your Google Maps and whatnot. Reverse camera on there, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, full DAB, heater controls, and your connectivity is just beneath there. Auto headlights, they were coming on and off actually while I was walking around the car earlier, so they show you the importance of having them. And it's just down there, and it's pointless not having them because the car's LED headlights, so it's not going to use any power. Adaptive cruise we've mentioned because of that sort of dual sensor beam at the front. Speed limiter very handy as well. Full year of warranty on the car. It'll be coming up to about 3 years old, won't it? So we'll MOT it, we'll give it a full service, claim bill of health, and away you go with a year of warranty and roadside assistance. And if you bring it back every 12 months or 12,000 miles to ourselves or a main Suzuki dealer, having a scheduled service done activates you yearly warranty extensions up to 10 years or 100,000 miles. So you could effectively keep plodding away with this car until 2033 under warranty. If you need anything at all, guys, have a quick look on the main website, dmkeith.com, and on there you can reserve vehicles, because somebody will be looking at this and oh, that's great. You can pop a fully refundable deposit down against it, bring your driving licence, have a test drive, and we'll organise everything for you. It's Friday, so if you're thinking of a weekend, we are open Saturdays only, and it is 9 while 5 opening. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're inside, wrapped up nice and warm with a coffee. Take care, drive safe in these cold roads. All the best.